Sim here. Today we are going to talk about the question 8. If you look at the screen, we have got orders and we have got the return, staff, shipping, and cost. And in this video, in this particular question number 8, we have to talk about the effectiveness of discounts or promotions on sales volumes. And for that, what I would suggest is, because this is a very subjective question, so you need to have your findings and you have to analyze the whole data and just give the findings. So there is no really particular graphs or formulas you have to use in this particular question. So if you scroll it towards this side, you can see I have already highlighted few columns for you guys, which is the sales revenue, quantity sold, discount, profit, and ES sales. Once you have got this information, then you already have been working on these columns anyway for the last 6 to 7 questions. So you probably have a better understanding of the data now. So when you analyze this, you have to give the key findings of this data. For instance, when I was analyzing this information, I figured out that discounts have a very weak impact on sales volume. The relationship between discount and quantity sold is extremely weak, indicating that higher discounts do not significantly increase the number of units sold. So it suggests that customer purchasing behavior is not strongly driven by the discounts alone. Then we have discounts. I think the second key finding what I get is the discounts negatively affect profitability. For instance, there is a clear negative relationship between discounts and profits, showing that higher discount tend to reduce profitability. So discounts may encourage some additional purchases. So the margins and reduce overall financial performance. The third key finding, what I figured out, is the sales revenue is driven more by volume than discounts. For instance, sales revenue shows a stronger relationship with quantity sold than the discounts, indicating the revenue growth is more closely linked to selling more units rather than offering higher discounts. So in terms of these are just a few key findings I figured out, but obviously you need to explore this more, and then you probably need to have about 6 to 8 different key findings in here. So I figured out 3 to 4 now for you guys, so you can figure it out the rest of by yourself. And obviously, this is based on the data I have changed in here, but your findings could be slightly different to mine one. So keep that in mind. So in terms of the overall evaluation, I believe that discounts and promotions in this data sets are not highly effective in increasing sales volumes and have a negative impact on profitability. While discounts may support short-term sales activity, um, but to be an efficient long-term strategy for driving volume growth and can significantly reduce profit margins. So what I suggest is that discounts should be used strategically and selectively rather than broadly applied. And alternatively, strategies such as product differentiation, improved sales channels, or customer loyalty initiatives may be more effective in driving sustainable sales growth. I hope this video is quite helpful for completing your question 8, and I will come back with the other videos for the rest of the questions. In the meanwhile, I would like to wish you all the very best for your assignment submission, and if you got any questions, please post that on the video and I'll be back to you. Thank you very much. Take care.